And that's why it's important not to hang ourselves on people that are trying to predict trends or the day-to-day movements of the market or even what the market's going to do in the next year. What we want to focus on is what do we not want to have exposed to the volatility of the market, because markets bounce around. And more importantly, what do we want to have set aside in cash, set aside conservatively to not take any risk with that we need in the short term. Because what we found at Form Wealth is that the anxiety that investors feel over their portfolios are often tied to what the money that they need from their portfolios. And if that money is set aside, planned in advance of the need, we can then not have to react, worry, be caught up in the anxiety that comes from where's that money going to come from? And is the market down and now I need it? As we get into 2026, what do we know? We know that there's going to be volatility. We know there's going to be changes in interest rates. We know there's going to be talk about inflation. We know there's probably continued talk about tariffs. We know we're going to have midterm elections. And yet, we have a plan for 2026 to try and set aside and make sure those funds are pre-funded. And for those of you that shared with us what those needs are, we've already done the work to make sure 2026 is set aside. And so, as we reflect on the past, it's often been a lot better than we expected. And 25 was another year like that. And we're hoping 26 may be the same.